Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this wondershare Filmora tutorial. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to add an overlay video in wondershare Filmora. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an overlay video? Simply put, an overlay video is when you place one video on top of another. This technique is commonly used for effects like picture-in-picture, reaction videos, or creative layering in video editing. For example, let's say we have a clip of two cyclists riding on a trail. If we add another video on top of it, whether it's a small inset video or a full-screen overlay, that's what we call an overlay video. This method allows for some really cool visual effects, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So, let's dive right in and get started.